Welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and in today's video I will be guiding you how to log into BLUETRITON employee portal. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. On your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer, and on the search URL type in BLUETRITON employee login. Press enter on your keyboard. That will take you to this page. Now, in order to log into your employee account, from this interface, click on this second link, that is BLUETRITON Career. You will be taken to this page. Now, to log into your employee account, on your right hand side at the upper corner, you will get internal employee login option. Click on that. Then you will be taken to sign in page. In order to sign in, first of all, enter your email address or ID linked with your BLUETRITON employee account. If you need help to access your account, there is a link provided that says can't access your account. Click on that and that will help you out to find your account. Once you're done typing in your email address, then click on next. Now on the next page, you have to enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link that says forgot password. That will help you out to recover your password, or you can either go through the code that you will get on your Gmail. Once you're done typing in your email address of your Microsoft account, click on sign in button, and on the next page, you will be logged into your employee account. And that's how you can log into BLUETRITON employee portal. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.